Most luxury travelers start planning their trips by searching for the best high-end hotel. In reality, location matters more than the hotel itself, and booking the wrong location is one of the most expensive travel mistakes you can make. Before you book, here's how to choose the right location using a simple method that actually works. A beautiful hotel in the wrong location creates friction you can't fix later. Long walks, constant taxis, awkward transit routes, missed reservations, wasted time. None of that shows up in photos or reviews, but you feel it every single day. Luxury hotels make this mistake easy. Many are intentionally tucked away and marketed as peaceful or exclusive. Sometimes that's perfect. Often, it quietly works against the trip you're actually taking. The key is to stop choosing hotels first and instead begin with choosing your sight and seeing locations. Here's the method I use. Before looking at any hotels, open Google Maps or your preferred map app. Drop a pin on every place you realistically plan to go, sites you know you'll visit, restaurants you actually plan to eat at, neighborhoods you want to spend time in. Also, drop pins on logistics that matter: airports, train stations, ferry ports, major subway stops. Once the pins are down, don't overthink it. Let the pattern appear. You'll quickly see where your days naturally cluster. That cluster is your ideal location. Only after that do you search for hotels or Airbnbs near the cluster you identified, knowing that whichever property you choose in that area will make your days easier. You still get to choose a nice hotel. You're just choosing it in the right place. This is what I call the daily friction test. If a hotel's location adds unnecessary distance, transfers, or logistics to your day, it's the wrong choice, regardless of how good it looks online. Before booking, do one final check. How easy is it to get there from the airport or train station? How annoying will it be with luggage? If it looks inconvenient on a map, it will feel worse in real life. This doesn't mean the most central hotel is always best. It means the right location depends on how you're traveling. Sightseeing-heavy trips should prioritize convenience. Slower trips can afford distance, but only if the trade-off is intentional. Experienced travelers learn this the hard way. They've stayed at beautiful hotels they wouldn't book again, not because the hotel was bad, but because the location quietly drained the experience. Before you book, drop the pins first. Because the right location makes a good hotel feel great, and the wrong one makes even the best hotel feel like a mistake.